Hello, this is Jay at Halcyon. Thank you for joining us. Today we're going to be talking about how to automate certain repetitive steps that you do with a feature in Salesforce called Macros. And I'm going to start off by showing you an example. So let's say that you make a call to a lead that you have in the system, and you put in some notes. Nice call. And go ahead and save. And at this point, you may want to schedule a follow-up call for a week later, as well as maybe send out an email using an email template to follow up on that call, that type of thing. So what you can do is record those steps using a feature in Salesforce called Macros. And when you create that macro, you simply just highlight it, click on Run Macro, and it will automate those steps for you. So in the background here, you can see as it's going through, it's creating those actions, it's sending out the email, and then it lets you know when it's done. So if you look at the activity timeline now for this particular lead, you can see the call that we originally made. Then you can also see that an email was sent along with its status, as well as a phone call follow-up, which is 7 days later from today. So how does all this magic work? Well, it's a feature called Macros. And basically what a macro does is, and I'll go ahead and edit this existing one, is it allows you to define what actions you want to take. So if you highlight the feature that you want to work with, so we'll say like follow up, it'll ask you if you want to add some instructions to it. So like change the subject, I'll put in a due date. So here, when you select due date, it'll ask you, do you want to put in a specific date, or maybe say 7 days from today, that type of thing. And just fill out the items, and it keeps track of all those settings for you. You can even put conditions on it. So, if the state equals this or the zip code equals that type of thing, you can filter out some of these various conditions on these actions, and it will keep track of it. So it's a pretty simple process. And if this is something that interests you, you can reach out to us and let us know. We'll be happy to walk you through it and see if we can't help you some other ways as well. So thank you for watching. Have a great day.